Hey, how's it going? It's Andy with Melted Iceberg, and today we're going to show you how to duplicate a post or page in WordPress. So right here we have our sample site. So we're going to go into the admin. Remember that the admin is always /wp-admin. We're already logged in here, so we'll go to the admin. So this is as simple as installing a plugin. So we're going to go to Plugins, Add New. And from here, we're going to search plugins and type in duplicate post. The first one that should show up should have over 1 million active installs. This is the one we recommend using. There are a few other options. So if we hit install now, wait for it to install, and then you can activate the plugin right here. So now that the plugin is installed, we can go to the settings page here, and there's a few settings that the plugin lets you do, including what elements that you can copy and paste, what fields are brought over, what taxonomies. You can also add a prefix to all copied posts. So you could write copy of, for example. So every time you copy a post, you'll know that it's a copy of the post. So after doing that, we can go over to posts here. We have a few examples here. And you'll notice a new option, clone, under the posts. So right here, we're going to hit clone. And you can see copy of the new cloned page. And it automatically makes it a draft, so it's not published. And just like that, you brought over all of the categories, tags, formatting, title to a new post, so you can work on it here and then publish it when it's ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this WordPress tutorial was helpful for you.